In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the dollar sign to numbers in an Excel spreadsheet. Whether you're managing a budget, creating invoices, or simply organizing financial data, adding currency symbols is a vital step in making your spreadsheet clear and professional. Let's dive right in. First, we need to select the numbers where we want to display the dollar sign. For our example, we're adding the dollar sign to the prices of products, specifically from product A to product C. To do this, click and drag your cursor over the cells that contain these prices. Alternatively, if your data isn't in a continuous block, you can hold down the Control key and click on each cell individually. Now that we've selected our desired cells, it's time to proceed to the formatting. With your selection in place, click on the right mouse button. This will bring up a context menu. Look for the option that says Format Cells and give it a click. You'll notice a pop-up window appears. This window is your gateway to customizing how your numerical data is presented. In this window, you'll find a section labeled Category on the left-hand side. This is where Excel lists various formats for your data. Click on Currency to select it, because that's what will allow us to add our dollar sign. Once you've selected Currency, direct your attention to the right side of the window. Here, you have a few options to consider. The first one is Number of decimal places to be displayed. This determines how many digits appear after the decimal point for your numbers. You can adjust this using the small arrows next to the box. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple and leave it set at 2 decimal places, which is the standard for most currency displays. Next, we're going to specify which currency symbol we want to appear. You'll see a drop-down menu under Symbol. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of various international currency symbols. Scroll through and select the dollar sign. It's typically represented by the familiar dollar symbol, and that's it. With the dollar sign selected and your decimal places set, go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the pop-up window. Your spreadsheet will now display the dollar sign next to the prices of products A to C, neatly formatting them as currency values. This simple change can enhance the readability and professionalism of your data at a glance. Congratulations, you've just learned how to add the dollar sign to your numbers in Excel. By following these straightforward steps, your financial data is now clearer and more impactful. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy spreadsheeting!